Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Mad Eye Moody eye patch. Start with black and make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. Slip stitch to form a circle and fasten off. Next, attach blue yarn to any of the stitches and increase in each stitch all the way around. Slip stitch to the first stitch, for round 3 chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, increase in the next stitch, do 1 single crochet and an increase 5 more times, then fasten off. Next, attach white yarn, do 2 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. Join with a slip stitch, chain 1, then do 3 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around, joining with a slip stitch. Next, we'll work on the patch. Start with a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For round 5, do 3 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For round 6, do 4 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around, slip stitching to join. For round 7, chain 3. And double crochet all the way around, slip stitching to join. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. Next, sew the eyeball to the patch, leaving a little bit of room at the end to stuff the eyeball, and then finish sewing that up. Next we'll work on the straps. Chain 6. Double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 2 and turn. Double crochet across, chain 2 and turn, and repeat until your piece is 3 inches long. You can then stop there and sew on a piece of elastic, or you can double crochet decrease twice. Double crochet decrease again. Then chain a chain long enough that you can tie it around your head. I've chained 45, then finish off. Make a second strap the same way and sew them to the eye patch. And there you have your Mad Eye Moody eye patch. It'd be great for a Halloween costume or a cosplay costume. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!